Hello, good morning students. Children, let us continue with preposition of place. We had discussed in the earlier module the preposition of behind, beside and near and how they are used. Let us continue with other three prepositions. The first one in the list is inside. It is used when something is within something else. Like we discussed when something is inside it, like I kept my toys inside the box, or maybe you have a trunk or a cupboard, or it is very hot outside. Please come inside the shop. It shows that something is within something else. So there is something and within something else that is inside that. My mother kept the utensils inside the rack. Means there are or shelves. You have the shelves and inside the shelves the utensils are kept. You must have seen your mother doing that in the kitchen. So inside a sentence which I have written, the people are sitting inside the coffee shop, which is showing that there is a coffee shop and people. Now, what is the relationship between the people and the coffee shop? People noun and the coffee shop is also noun, now the other word. It is that they are sitting inside. Means some people in something. So when something is within something else, then we use the word or the preposition inside. Okay? Coming next is in front of. Now, when do we use in front of, children? In front of is when something is like in the class. The children are in front of the teacher, isn't it? You stand. Now, I have a mobile in front of me and I am speaking to it. And I hope you will be listening to what I have spoken in front of the camera. So, in this way, something which is in front of me, like in front of, it is used when something is further forward than something else, but not very far away. It is not very far away, like in the class, the teacher is standing, talking, and the children are in front of the teacher. So, it tells you it is used when something is further forward than something else, like me and something forward, but it is not very far away. Like I told you, I am speaking in front of the camera, means the camera is in front of me. Okay, or so and so means your friend, name of your friend sits in front of me. Okay, or I sit in front of my friend Sheila. Okay, in this way the word or the preposition in front of is used to show that something is forward than the other thing which we are talking about, and we should remember that it is not very far away. In front of means it is just in a short distance, not very far away. You cannot say the sun is in front of me, means sun is very far away. You cannot say that. Okay, so mind that difference. My teacher is standing in front of me. When we have classes, the teachers stand in front of you and speak to you. The next preposition is by. It is used when something is at the side of something else. So when, as you know, in preposition or in preposition of place, we tell you the word preposition gives you the location or the position of the noun or pronoun in relationship with the other word in that sentence. So when this by is used, you can understand that something is at the side of something else. Okay? There is a chair by my table. Means my table is there and there is a chair which is just by my table. Okay? Or the house by the river belongs to my uncle. Means there is something. There is a house, there is a river. and that is by the river means just you understand that it is the side. Something is at the side, like put your shoes by the door. Means you keep your shoes by the door. By the door means at the side of the door. At the side of the door you keep it. Okay. So by is used. Of course, by is used for other purposes also. But here for preposition of place, by is used when something is at the side of something else. So as you know, in the sentence we are talking about two things like the subject and the object. So by the side, or the duster is by the side of the chalk box, means at the side of it. Okay. So in this way these prepositions like inside, in front of and by is used. As you do the sentences and exercises, I hope it will be clear when to use this preposition of place. Thank you, children.